Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting my morning from my front yard. You can see there is so nice purple flower. I'll search this flower name and I'll let you know. But it's very beautiful actually. It will refresh your mind. So I thought to okay. Once I woke up, I felt like let's go outside. These are the white lily. It has very nice smell. So now let's go and start making breakfast. So here I have started making breakfast. This is for my kid. It's kind of quesadilla, but I made it out of our normal roti, whatever we are eating for lunch, dinner, whatever. And I'm just adding some cheese, and then it will become a quesadilla. So this is for my kid, not for us. So I'm making it ready. And here I'm making coffee for us for breakfast. Mostly we are having tea, but nowadays I'm like so much bored of tea, so today I'm making coffee, and then we will have it with biscuit and some normal roti also. So here is our breakfast ready. So we had our breakfast. Now it's like exercise time. Mostly after having breakfast, like 1 hour or half an hour after, I used to do treadmill. So here I have started doing treadmill. Actually, I just try to maintain this thing at least half an hour or sometimes.
Good morning.
So after treadmill, I took bath, and now I did my puja. Immediately after taking bath, mostly I will be doing puja, and then I will do my lunch preparation. So today I'm making the Bengali pulao and with the chicken. Actually, I got the Kali Jeera rice from Indian supermarket, and once I bought it, really I really like craving for this pulao. So I thought, okay, mostly you can make it with basmati also, but this rice almost like similar to the Govinda Bhog, whatever we are eating in India. So I felt like okay, let's eat, and with that mutton actually go perfectly fine, but today we didn't have, so I'm making pulao and chicken. So here I put my food on the stove and I have started cleaning some stuffs because I need that small mixie grinder. You can see I'm washing for making a paste for chicken, ginger garlic and green chili paste. So I'm washing, and side by side I would like to clean my house also a little bit. Once the food is there on the oven, it will be easy, or else we don't have not that much time. So here my pulao is already done, and I'm adding a little bit of ghee. Maybe I will share this recipe separately because or else it will be very big. I just don't want to make it more lengthy. So here my sink is as always all the time it's full, though I am trying to clean all the time, but still there are some packets I need to put them in trash can. And here you can see my hall. Yesterday night it was so hot upstairs that we slept downstairs. Actually downstairs we don't have bedroom, but still I preferred this spot, so we just slept. You can see all the comforter, everything is there, and my house is a big mess. Not only today, every day it's like this only, and every day I'm cleaning. So here I have started making the chicken also. I already made the paste, and with the paste I already marinated the chicken, and now I am like I've started cooking together, like cooking and cleaning everything. It will be like both will be at the same time. So now I'm cooking. Now let's clean the hall. So I'll fold the comforter, everything I need to bring them upstairs, because today I don't think that we're going to sleep here again. Today the weather is a little bit better, though it's sunny today also outside, but it's okay. We will see. If I need, then again I need to bring it down. So this is like I'm cleaning my hall, and everything is like so much pillow. We don't have spot to sit also on sofa, and side by side I'm vacuuming also. Here Ardit also trying to vacuum. He likes to do vacuuming, so mostly on the wooden floor, so that it would be easy for him. So he's doing there. So here I'm throwing all the trash into the recycling bin. So here my chicken is also going on the oven, on the stove. So side by side I'm doing everything.
What's mutton? Are you making mutton or chicken?
I'm making chicken, Ma. Why?
It smells like mutton.
It smells mutton?
I hate mutton.
Okay, Ma. I'm cooking chicken. What are you making, Mama? So here our pulao is ready already, and chicken is also done. So I'm serving the food on the dining table. Mostly we are eating on sofa, but maybe today I will ask everybody to eat on dining table. This dining table, actually we won't eat at all here. Mostly we'll prefer to sit and watch TV and eating. But see, Ardit don't want to eat on dining table, so I bring his food here on the sofa, and he's sitting and watching, and I'll be feeding him. So here we had our lunch, and it was like super delicious. And now Ardit is watching the TV. Actually, like Pokemon, I think he's watching, and whatever I just kept folding. You can see he just took them all and again another mess here. So that's it for today. Almost we are done for my afternoon schedule. Some vessels are there, so that is like I'll clean later. So that's it. Thank you for staying with me and enjoying. Bye bye and see you in my next vlog.